Hi guys, I show you how I'm gonna make my smoothie. So I have one avocado and I will cut a tiny bit of this cucumber. Wala ko Chinese. This is just regular cucumber. Yun lang muna. Ilagay ko kasi gusto ko damihan ng ito, green leafy vegetables and almond, a little bit of water. Then lagyan ko ng konting mango juice para may flavor. Okay? Ito na guys. Ang ganda ng avocado. At saka itong cucumber. Very fresh. Lagay natin. At anuhan natin to. Ito yung almonds guys na ilagay ko dito. Napasok na ang avocado. So, lagyan ko ng vegetables. Guys, nalagay ko na ang ito. Healthy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables. Parang puno siya kasi yung may halo dito. So, lagyan ko ng juice at saka tubig. So, lagyan ko ng konting juice guys para may flavor. Mango juice ito. Tapos, medyo puno umapaw. Shoot. Hold on. So guys, ito na ang ating smoothie. Medyo very sticky because oops. Medyo thick, very thick siya guys kay kunti rang tubig or liquid na juice. Kasi napuno ba? Nainit mo ni God. So, complete na siya guys. May protein and medyo matamis. Mostly milk ang ilagay ko. Pero ngayon, orange mango juice kasi may daming gulay. Ang sarap guys. And healthy. Green leafy vegetables. Siya? A lot of helps sa cholesterol and avocado and nuts. Here we are. Kasi kumakain ako ng maraming chicharon. Bawion na to ba? Bawi-bawi lang to guys. And medyo nahirapan ako sa pag-blend dito guys kasi it's a lot. I put a lot. But this motor, this is only for single use. I mean, like you can use this only like light thing. Do not put too much. And I put too much. That's why. So, yun ang nangyari. Pero ang sarap guys. And healthy. Thank you for watching.